Hi everyone, I'm sure a lot of you were confused and thus wondering about how to do recycling. We are here to solve your headaches on this. First, household waste and recyclables must be sorted. Household waste refers to garbages that cannot be recycled, and mostly refers to general waste and food waste. General waste go into standard plastic garbage bags and food waste into food waste bag. Recyclable items must be collected separately. You can sort them into 7 different categories: PETs, plastics, papers, cans, glass or glass bottles, vinyls or plastic bags, and styrofoams. All this can be sorted out in transparent plastic bags. There isn't a specific transparent plastic bag just for sorting the recyclables, so you can use any plastic bags that are transparent. These transparent plastic bags can be bought from supermarkets or from online. In my experience, an average of 40-liter plastic bag would do for a 3-person household. FYI, if you find it hard to sort paper or styrofoam waste in a transparent plastic bag, just tie them up using any string. Please keep in mind that ways to dispose waste may differ depending on your region or if you're living in conventional dwellings or multi-unit dwellings. Okay, let me first explain about how to dispose PETs. First, these PETs must be sorted by whether they are transparent or opaque. Before disposing them, make sure the PETs are empty and take off all labels. Then crush them and close the lid. It's almost the same for the plastics as well. Wash out all the residues. Take off all stickers or labels. Crush and close the lids if necessary. For papers, they can be sorted mainly into boxes, bills, regular papers, and milk cartons. Excluding the milk cartons, all others can be disposed in the same plastic bag. For boxes, take off all stickers and/or tapes and then dispose. For bills, a lot of them have vinyls or plastic parts on the envelopes. Take the plastic part off from the envelope and you're safe to dispose with other papers. Regular papers can be disposed after removing staples or others from the paper. As for the milk cartons, unfold the cartons, gather them, and then tie them up with a string. Milk cartons should be disposed separately from other paper items. What you should be aware of here is that any paper items that are coated or contaminated cannot be recycled. So chicken boxes or pizza boxes stained with oil from the food should be disposed in a standard plastic garbage bag. As for the coated papers, some of the examples will be paper cups, cup noodle containers, receipts, enamel, gloss, and sleep papers, and mixed ingredients. These can also be disposed in standard plastic garbage bags. Vinyls or plastic bags include red onion nets and plastic wraps and such. They need to be unfolded and should be disposed in a transparent plastic bag. If the plastic wraps that were used to cover your food seem clean enough, they can also be disposed together with other clean vinyl products. Crush the cans before disposing. For glass or glass bottles, wash them before disposing and close the lid if it has a lid. It doesn't matter if the lid of a glass bottle isn't a glass. That would prevent the glass bottle from being damaged and make it recyclable. Styrofoams are also similar to milk cartons. Gather them together and tie them up with a string to dispose. Last but not least, for the conventional dwellings in my area, colored or opaque plastics, cans, and glass-type waste are all disposed together inside a single transparent plastic bag, excluding transparent PETs. This may be different depending on where you live, your neighborhood, or type of building. I suggest that you find out the exact regulations for your area or type of dwelling from the local DONG office or GU office. Leave your question in the comment section below if you have any questions per regions, and we'll be happy to answer. Bye!